Everybody, how's it going? Thanks for visiting my site. Today we are going to work on making a ghost launcher. So a ghost launcher, to make a ghost launcher, all you're going to need is, use if you have like a handkerchief or a little kerchief here that I'm going to use, you need a ball. It can be a racket ball, it can be a squish ball, it can be like a practice. This is a squishy golf ball, like it's an indoor practice golf ball, wiffle ball, tennis ball, any kind of ball you have. A rubber bouncy ball works really good too. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically just take your ball, you're going to put it inside your tissue, and you'll need a rubber band. Put the rubber band on it. If you don't have rubber bands at home, you can take the little twisty tie off of your bread and you can use it, or you can use a piece of tape and just twist it like that, and put a piece of tape around it, and that will hold your ghost. Twist it, tape it, cut it, don't use your teeth. Or if you're lucky, it'll tear. And then you have your little ghost that you're going to use. Now, what if you do not have, oh, Mr. Bellamy, but I don't have that. It's okay. If you don't have a Kleenex or a napkin, you can use tissue paper. So you can wad up a piece, and then you can take your other piece of tissue paper and just put it around it. Same thing. Twist it, put your rubber band on it, tape it, whatever you need, so you have your little ghost. If you don't have tissue paper, then you can use newspaper. You can use just an old piece of paper. You can wad it up. Take another piece of paper, put over it, fold it down around it, twist it, and you have a little baby ghost. So that is basically, you're just going to make yourself a nice little ghost. If you make one out of paper, feel free to draw some eyes on it. I'm lucky and have a pen in here. So, if you want to make it more official, you can give him a smile and make your ghost a happy ghost, sad ghost, scary ghost, whatever kind of ghost you're going to need. Now, the other thing you're going to need for your ghost launcher is you're going to need a plastic bag. Now, any type of plastic bag will work. Maybe you have an old baggie from the grocery store, or this is just an old bag from some stuff I had delivered here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put some air in it, and then you're going to hold the end. You're going to set that end on the ground, just like that. So you still kind of want to twist it a little bit, so when you fill it up, you want to twist it so the air doesn't leak out as soon as you set it down. Set it on the ground. We'll go with my ghost that we drew. You're going to put your ghost on top of him, and then you're just going to keep your head back out of the way, and then you're going to try to catch your ghost. Okay? Try that again one more time. We're going to use my little bag. So maybe I didn't have a big trash bag. I just have like a little grocery sack, and this one has a little hole in the top of it. We'll see if it works. Set my ghost on it, and then try to catch your ghost. And that is how you make your own ghost launcher and ghost. And you can try different things. Try the ball. How well does a ball work? What if I put more air in it? So if I put the ball on there, catch my ghost. Now, as I said, quick safety tip. When you make it, you fill it up full of air. You'll twist on it. Set it down. You don't want to be leaning over the top of it, because if I'm leaning over the top of it, when I hit it, it's going to hit me right in the face. So, make sure you're leaning back. Not catching that one. But that's how you make your ghost launcher. Have fun, take a couple pictures of it, send it to me. Let me know how you like your ghost launcher and did it work for you. Have a great day.